Hi guys, here at Road Angel, we are the pioneers of speed awareness products, keeping yourself and others safe on the road. Road Angel was established in 2001, and we have been making multi-award-winning dash cams for over 9 years now. We design and engineer our products in the UK, which means we can find the suitable product for you and help you with all your needs and requirements. Not to mention, we have two of the Which Best Buy dash cams in our range. We have the Halo Ultra and the Dual Dash Cam Halo Pro. Now we're going to go over a few things that make our Road Angel dash cams different. We are so confident in our Road Angel products that we offer a 3-year warranty, which means that for 3 years, if you have a fault or problem with your product, we will replace it free of cost. Our Road Angel dash cam products have no screens, which means no distractions. Many of the current dash cam products use a screen. With ours, you don't have to. You can simply pop your device in the corner of your windscreen, and this means that you will have no distractions and you will not be breaking the law. Our competitors' dash cams will only activate once the G sensor is activated. This will only happen if someone was to bump your car. Our products allow for 24/7 recording no matter what is happening. This means that you will keep safe all year long. Our dash cams record for 24 hours, 7 days a week, which means you will not miss a thing. And the best thing about it is the car battery itself will not run out. It will take about 6 months to completely go flat. And one more thing, our 24/7 parking mode is also available on the rear dash cam. Our Road Angel products also have high-speed Wi-Fi, which enables you to download and save the videos straight to your device. These can then be saved and sent straight to insurance companies, police officers, or anybody else that might need it in that moment. Here at Road Angel, we care about the image quality, which is why we've invested in a super high-quality lens. This allows for clear and crystal quality like no other. Our Road Angel products also come with a night mode, which means you can have this crystal clear quality at night and in the day. As our Road Angel products record 24/7, we have specially designed SD cards, which have a high enough density to hold all of your footage. Cold and hot temperatures we can experience can cause irreplaceable damage to your battery. For this reason, we do not have any batteries in our products, and all of our products are wired straight to your car. During winter, most dash cams become ineffective when the windscreen freezes over. With our winter mode built in, when your dash cam is hardwired to your car, it will heat that area up, which means it will keep the vision free from obstruction. Our dash cams are designed and built to the same automated standards as your car is. They can be used in any car, which makes it the ideal dash cam for you. The Road Angel Halo Ultra won the Which Best Buy 4K dash cam in 2022. It's recognised to be the best dash cam in the UK. With 64GB of built-in storage, there is no need for an SD card. The Road Angel Halo Pro Dual Dash Cam won the Which Best Buy in 2023 for the best dual dash cam. This dual dash cam is a great product as it offers recording on both the front and rear of the vehicle. So just to recap on why our products are much better than any competitors, with the features such as the high quality lens, 24/7 parking, and most importantly, no screen. These are just a few of the reasons that make our products better for the safety of your customers.